How to see the Spotify Wrapped on your desktop or PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, the Spotify Wrapped feature is not available on desktop or web version of Spotify. It is an exclusive feature for Spotify mobile app. However, if you want to check your top songs, it is available in your desktop version as well. So first of all, launch your application Spotify on the desktop and check or type in Wrapped in the search bar. Tapping on it, you will see an option top list or top playlist. While the complete wrap feature is not available, but you can definitely check on your top songs as well as the minutes spent and such other. But if you wish to check for other details as well, that is not possible in PC. For this, you should open your mobile app and check for the wrapped button. There way you will see your top artist, top time spent, top song and all other details. For the desktop version, you will see in this way that is public playlist and your top song 2024. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.